Welcome to Applied Awareness, where I use practical meditation to help real people with common problems. Today we're going to discuss fishing and how it can be used to combat stress. And we'll discuss how we can use the properties of meditation to make it even less stressful and insightful. You won't want to miss it. So fishing is very meditative in the respect that it does take us away from our natural mental habits. We're concentrating on fishing itself and trying to catch fish. It could be a lot more than that. It can also be a way to help us figure out, a little more about how we make the choices we do. And all of our choices are based upon what we've learned in our lives so far. We call that our memories and our current emotions and our ability to speculate. So as I'm out here fishing, I chose a bait based upon knowing a little bit about the lake and what they have historically bitten around this time of day, which is not much. And it didn't work, so I tried something else based purely upon speculative guesswork what might work. And my son, who's also out here fishing with me, has done the same. And he found a bait that the little ones are biting right now. So he's over on a dock a ways away from me catching little fish because he finds it funner to catch little fish than no fish at all. Now, I went another route. I got something similar but is larger so that I won't catch small fish. And the bigger one should be able to take it. And although that should work, first couple I caught were tiny. Now if we look at where I choose to cast, well, this cast right here is because historically I've been able to get bites over there. Haven't so far today, but just the memory that the fact that I have keeps taking me back there. When that doesn't work, generally I'll speculate that, well, it's time to try somewhere else. Now earlier I did get a good sized bluegill over there. So this is based partially on speculation that they could be running through here again because they're running schools. And of remembering that I've caught one over there before, and it was a fairly exciting catches. Put up a pretty good fight here on a fly rod. I did just get a bite over there, but just played with it a little bit. So I'll throw back in the vicinity. See if I can get something to go for it. Now whether you're fly fishing or bobber fishing or fishing with a lure, it all kind of works the same. You will pick a spot where you want to throw it. And you'll pick that spot based upon your memories of fishing past, your speculations of why you think there might be fish over there. And how you're mentally feeling at the moment. And I could see some fish down there, but they weren't going for it. And they can't really see size right now. It's a little bright out. Fishing is one of these things that can be very meditative, especially if you pay attention to why you choose the spots that you do. For instance, this one, I just saw some fish down there around it, and I'm hoping there's a bigger one with the group. Maybe we'll take my little bigger lure. So if you're feeling stressed out and you like fishing, fishing's a good way to break some stress. Recently I read an article where a large portion of people who went fishing just for the relaxation component. And some of the people said just being out at the lake or stream, out in nature, away from the places they associate with stress, helps them relax. Because we do form mental associations with places. And if we're doing the same things in the same places and feeling stressed out, one of the best things to do is to go somewhere else. You don't have to go fishing. You can just go out to dinner someplace that you have fond memories in of being with people you enjoy being with, etc. Or go to the park. Or go to a ball game. But get out of the atmosphere that's feeling stressful to you. It'll help you decompress. And allow you to go back into the other stressful situations and location with breaking up those mental habits a little bit so it's not quite so strong. So just remember, anything you do takes you out of your normal autopilot thinking mode, even if it's just taking a deep breath. It can help you relax. Now these days we do have a tendency of calling anything that puts us in the realm of unhappiness as being stress. We kind of equate stress with unhappiness. So when we talk about stress, I'm not really talking about the true definition of stress itself. I'm talking about anything in the category of stress or anxiety, frustration, and a little meditation. A meditation activity here and there can help make your life just a little more peaceful.